Today I am showing you this awesome modern custom home in the heart of a master plan community here in Canyon Falls, and you have to stay to the end because I'm going to show you this room that's going to blow you away. Let's go inside and see it. So this is a Windmiller home. It is an actual custom home in the heart of Canyon Falls. And when I say custom, what I mean by that is they can move walls, they can do different things with the footprint, but this builder also builds on lots all over the place and completely customize a home for you, starting from ground up and building with an architect, and everything that you want to put in the house you could do with your heart's desire. This particular house is currently available. It's listed at over $1.1 million, and it is available to occupy now. So let's take a look at what 1.1 million can get you in the heart of Canyon Falls Master Plan community. All right, come on, let's see this place. This place has got a little funky sass to it. All right, here we go. So this particular home they did in a very fun modern style, and they have a very mid-century modern vibe in this home. So you take a look at this is kind of your front room here. They have it set up as a sitting room. This could easily kind of be walled off if you wanted it to make it an office, but right now they have it just as an open, fun sitting room. Look at this fun and funky little decor that they did in here. I just think they gave this house such a fun flair. So you're gonna see really like modern features in here. So come in, take a look. They have a dark wood floor throughout. These are solid wood floors. You have this really fun dining room. It's got a lot of space. This table sits 6. You got a really cool ceiling. I wish you could see it really well in here, but you've got great light fixtures in here. If modern isn't your vibe, really, once you put your furniture in here, like if mid-century modern's not your vibe, it'll change the look of the place and it can just customize it to make it your own. But follow me into the kitchen. Okay, take a look at this kitchen. What do we think of this? We've got, and this is what I mean by modern. These are nice flat cabinets. The wood has that honey feature to it. It's very mid-century modern vibe, but obviously with an updated twist because it is got a ton of cabinet space in here, big cabinetry, a great appliance garage. You have here you have just kind of your standard oven. Would have loved to have seen Wolf or GE, something along there, but you got a good little gas, and it is gas along here. I'm loving the open shelves. That's a cool trending concept that this house has, and so it gives you this display. This, I couldn't really get, it might be hard to tell, but it actually is glass tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. So that is a fun little touch to it. And then here, let's see, back up just a little bit, take a look at this countertops. So here they use Cambria quartz countertops, which is a super high-end quartz, and it is touted as one of the best quartz countertops in the industry that has great warranties, and this is very fun, funky. You got the black and white, and then they did a lot of accents in here. All the doors are painted black. Gives it a fun feel to it. You've got a good sized pantry, and this is a lot of space in this area. I do like that they put in the little microwave here at the side of the island, which gives it that nice clean look in the kitchen area. Okay, you come in, this is your family room. A couple of things that they did was smart. You do have an outlet down on the floor there, so you can, well, I love a lamp. They don't have lamps in here, but I always put in a lamp. Nice clean fireplace in there, gas fireplace. Kind of a cool effect that they raised that up a little bit instead of putting like a mantle that's taken up a bunch of space, and it really makes a nice focal point for your home. So, okay, so in here you're going to have a guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. This bathroom is kind of gonna act as both the guest bathroom and your powder room for the house. I think I said in the beginning, there's a surprise room. It's one of those rooms that goes, whoa, I can't believe this is in here. And so I'm gonna save that to the end to show you. But here you have just a nice you know, your simple guest room in here. Again, everything that they have in here that they're showing it is mid-century modern, so it's smaller scale. You know, mid-century modern furniture is a little bit smaller scale. So when you look at this home, because this one's actually available, you need to imagine your furniture in here. So let's take a look at the bathroom in here. I think they did a great classic floor in here, and you have your tub and tile combo. I love a drop zone. So you got your drop zone in here. We'll come back around and do a big circle. But you know what we've been seeing in a lot of the houses that I've been showing you is where the closet hooks up to the laundry room, and that's no different in this house, which is really great. This is a cool room. I mean, yes, it's a little, this style is funkier than I would do like for my own style. You know, again, you have to imagine your own style in here, but it honestly is a super clean slate. So once you bring your furniture in here, whatever color scheme you want to do, they have it all very black and white, but whatever color scheme you want to do in here is going to fit in here really great. And I love that they have this little niche. It's a cute little sitting area right in there. Kind of gives you this own little spot in your bedroom, and this backyard's wild. So I told you this is in a master plan community of Canyon Falls, which is not, master plan communities in this area, they're not known for having huge yards. Well, this one was built on kind of a huge pie shape at the end of a cul-de-sac. It has a stunning backyard, which we'll show you here in a minute. Let's take a look at this bathroom. Okay, this has got some sass, right? Look at this. Okay, this is, they have a little symbol here. It's Cambria as well, and it's called, I believe it's called Panda Quartz, because it is just the black and white, kind of the color of a panda bear, which I love panda bears. I love panda videos. I love panda bears. So I kind of like this. It's fun. But this little cabinets are really kind of different because the exterior of these are like a dark chocolatey color there. Can you see that? And then you have the lighter color on the front. You know, I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure how I feel about that for my own personal house, but it is a funky modern flair. But if you wanted to change that out and darken these, I think you could do that pretty easily to put the consistency together if you wanted to. I do love that it has a really big shower, which is consistent with a lot of homes that we've seen. It's got the rain head shower, so you got a lot of really good space in here, and it's very neutral. So I like that. And I also, the tile here on the floor, they did run up the wall here, and then here, instead of window seals, you know, this is just some of these little touches you don't really think about, but here they put, see how they put the quartz on the window seal? And that's a great little touch. They're also using all the black windows in the house too. Normally, you're going to see tan windows, like just, I'm gonna say in like 95% of the houses that they build, they have tan windows. Now, windows can make a huge difference in like the cost of your home. So if you're buying windows that are black on the outside, they're black on the inside as well. If you're getting windows that are like black on the exterior, but you want them white on the interior, you're talking a massive amount to upgrade those windows. I mean, the cost is wild comparatively. So anytime you typically see that it's black on the front, it's gonna be black on the inside of the house too. So, which fits the vibe of this house well, since it is kind of a modern house. Just have your water closet in there. I do like this closet. We've seen some amazing closets. This one does not disappoint either. You have carpet in here, but this sucker's big. Hello, hello, there's me always running around. I mean, you could jog in this place. I mean, look at this thing. This is a dresser. I'm not sure why it's not taller, because, you know, you have so much space in here, but you've got huge drawer stacks in here, which is awesome, but it's a two-way, so you've got drawer stacks on the other side of it. You've got electrical outlets here. You got electrical outlets in the island. Look at this sucker. This is a really, really big closet. Is this one of the biggest closets? we've seen. How many have you been watching us here on our YouTube channel? Like and comment. Let me know what other closets that you've liked, but this may be one of the bigger closets that we've seen. Probably hard to tell on video, but make sure that you are liking and subscribing to our videos. We do put out videos each and every week on this channel showing you fun and beautiful new houses in the Flower Mound and surrounding DFW areas right around here. And we're just having tons of fun showing you all these different homes. So, okay, so this one, yep, you got your door into here, and then you head into your laundry room. Now you're going to have the, this way you're going to come in from your garage, or you're going to come in, you've got your laundry room here. They have good cabinetry, you've got your sink in there. Personally, because this is right off this huge closet, I think this is plenty of space for a good size laundry room. And kind of tell me what you think about it coming off of that size of a closet. But I think it's a nice space, because then you come over here and you have your drop zone. You know, houses these days, especially in these price points, every house we've been in has had a really great drop zone in it. Okay, so next I want to take you and show you outside in this house, and then we're almost to that room that you won't believe that is inside of this house. So let's go take a look outside. Let's go right out here. Couple doors to get out here. This one's nice because this door is situated in a way where you can get to the that bathroom real easy. So if you put a pool out here, now I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see. The sun's high today, or well, it's high every day, but at this time of day, it's right up there. But they do have a built-in grill here and a nice area, and you have a huge side yard. And this lot is huge. I mean, it goes on for days. So not only do you have this huge area just like right here back behind you, but it's a huge side yard. This is kind of like a creek kind of behind you, like a dry creek bed. So like right there, there's not going to be anything. Now up over that ridge, there could potentially be something later on, and it looks like they may be getting ready to do some building there, but you're going to have massive separation from there. So this is a really clean slate. I mean, in Texas, we do love our swimming pools, and so this is an amazing swimming pool yard. So you could put in some great landscaping in here. So I really, really love this backyard. So let's see, let's go back around. Are you ready to see the surprise room? Oh, one of the things I am noticing, like I said, this house is available, and it has built-in speakers in a lot of the areas there, which is nice. And I love the ceiling, how it comes together and almost makes like a column or a pillar. And if you wanted to, you could even cover that with wood. It's a cool little spot there. Okay, come to the front of the house. Remember, we started up here in this office or sitting room. Oh, yeah, come with me here. This right here is where this one is currently being used as a model home. So normally this would be a wall, and this would be your garage, and you'd be coming in through your garage right over there. So it is set up right now as the model home. But it is available, and that would be converted by the builder. So if you wanted to buy this house, you know, if you're interested in this house, give us a call. Of course, we are realtors. We do help people find their homes here in the DFW area. So give us a call. Would love to tour you through it and give you all the details of what would happen if you bought this particular house. All right, let's see the surprise room. So this is, here you go. This is a true, as they call it, mother-in-law suite. It's a multi-gen house. This is an apartment within the current house. So you have a full kitchen in here. So you shut this door, you got a lock on this door. This gives you full privacy. I'm telling you, I have a young married son. If their apartment, they would be thrilled if they had this like as an apartment. It's that nice in here. I mean, it has, you've got a kind of, this one they're using as all of their equipment right now, but normally this would be like your pantry. And then you have essentially a full-size kitchen in here. You've got your dishwasher, you've got your sink in here, you have a microwave. They finished this out with a cafe line, which I actually like this better than the one that they have out there in the main kitchen. And you've got a full-size refrigerator. I mean, isn't this awesome? So if you are looking for multi-gen houses, they're becoming more popular in our area, but they are hard to find. So if you're looking for a home that has that multi-gen space, like this one really has it. So you have your bathroom over here, and this is gonna give you the full walk-in shower. They did this all in black and white, but I love the tile and everything that they used in here. You have a lot of light coming into here, several windows coming into here. It's a really fun space. And then over here, of course, they did the bedroom, but go around here and meet me over here. So what they did here was, you know, you have your bed over here, but they created this kind of privacy space, right? With this little area here, which is kind of, or not privacy, but separation. So you could use this as kind of a desk. You could use it as a little eating area. You could put bar stools on both sides of that, tuck that in, have a little eating area right there. They gave you a little bit of storage here, but if you wanted to, you could even build this out with a little bit more privacy to cover up the bedroom. And then of course you have a full-size closet in here. And it's, I mean, you know, I could fit in here. It's definitely a walk-in closet, but it's just kind of, I'm gonna say a normal secondary size bedroom. So let's look, I'll go around here, we'll switch sides and I'll look at this little sitting area in here. What a surprise. Can you believe this? We found this in the heart of this house. So this home, like I said, is currently available. So if you are looking for a home in the DFW area, we would love to help you. I'm Tisha White. My husband is Brian White, and we have a family real estate team, and our motto is give, serve, and love, and we love helping our clients. So make sure to like and subscribe, because like I said, we put out videos every single week showing you fun new houses in the area. And we always like to finish our videos by saying, God is good, Jesus has forgiven you, you are loved, and everything is possible. You have a blessed day.